I'm looking at the question F. So when I rewrite negative 3x squared plus 4x minus 5, first step. So I plug out the value for A, B, C. My A is negative 3, my B is 4, negative 5. Repeat again, I'm doing F. So first step, rearranging it according to the form, we call it as the quadratic function form. So that is what I have done here. Then plug out A, B, C. We bring in the formula of negative B over 2A. So when I bring that into the picture, this is going to be negative 4 2A. So I simplify this. I am going to get 2 over 3. So once I get that 2 over 3, I substitute the 2 over 3 into the equation. So when I substitute this into the equation, I think you can press the calculator. Crystal, what is the answer you got?
I get negative 11 over 3.
Negative 11 over 3. Okay, check this. Any question you may ask? Anyone not sure on this part first? Anyone has a doubt on this part first? You may ask. Okay, now once I've done that, I can rearrange it in the form of what we call as the vertex form. Okay, if you want to arrange it in the form of vertex, no problem. So when I do that, my A, negative 3, where is the A coming from? This is the A. So the one inside the bracket, I think you know this also. It's going to come from here, but opposite direction. X minus 2 over 3 squared. And the C comes from exactly the answer. This one, we just have to follow. Negative 11 over 3. Once I convert, I've already got the vertex from this. They did not ask, but if you want to show, no problem. So I saw the negative. I saw the negative. So sad face. So if it is a sad face, this is what we call as the maximum point. We refer this as a maximum point. Negative means sad face means maximum curve. Huh? So the x is 2 over 3. We got it just now. And the y is negative 11 over 3. Done with that. So now there are two x's, the y and the x. So I bring the y first into the picture. So to bring the y into the picture, this is my reference. It is a positive x. So if it is positive, the y-axis will be on my left. If it is positive, my y-axis on my left. So if it is negative, it will be on my right. So it's go to the left, but I make sure it touches the curve. The place where it touches is this one, negative 5. So I have the value here as negative. Okay. Now comes the next step. I need to get the place where it's going to touch the y. So I press the calculator. So Crystal, when you press the calculator, what are the two answers you got?
I get 0.67.
One decimal enough, Crystal. So what are the two answers you got?
I get the same.
There's an I there. Am I right?
Yes.
So what does the I tell me, Mr. Menu? When I see I, what does that actually tell me?
Wrong answer.
No answer. Very good. But in the sense of the graph, it actually tells me my graph is not going to touch the x-axis. This I tells me no touch x-axis. That's how I put it in a simple layman term. So that means when I'm going to draw my x-axis, I know this is -5, 0 is going to be at the above. I draw it in such a way the x-axis is not going to touch the curve. This is how we sketch the graph. Any